Hey everyone, it is Lisa and welcome to the Use and Care Chat, which is now at a new time. Let's see, it is at 3 o'clock today on Wednesday. So apologies, we lost all internet down here in Rehoboth. So I'm doing this one by my phone. How's everybody doing today? Oh, I see, good. You guys can hear me and see me. Hey Kimberly, how you doing? It's great to see everybody. And again, apologies for being late. We don't have TV. We don't have internet, so I'm doing this from my phone. Good luck. I hope I don't lose my connection with you again. How's everybody doing? We have had some day today. Tara was just back. She has been out sick and she's back. I've missed her. Haven't seen her in about 10 days and she's back. So we had a must-have today. I'm going to talk to you about that. And then we did the live stream on QVC at 11 a.m. and we did Cinco de Madre. So much fun. It's a Mexican theme for Mother's Day. So check it out because the recipes are over on Temp-tations.com. But hey to everybody. Hi Natalie. Hi Corinne. Hi Peggy. Hi Janine. How are you guys doing today? It is this crazy day here in Rehoboth Beach, Delaware, where it's like bright sun and then it downpours. And when you downpours, you go outside and there's all this steam. It's very humid. Not a good hair day. And but I'm happy to be with you guys, that's for sure. Hey Shane, how you doing? Hi Mary. You guys, thanks for joining in. Hi Janet, I'm happy to see you too, Janet. Oh, Marianne, did you see the live stream? Was it awesome? Did you guys have fun? In case you guys don't know what we're talking about, Tara and I do a live stream every Wednesday, almost every Wednesday, at 11 a.m. And a Jimmy just flew across. That was actually very cool stuff. It like bounced right across. It did. So we did a live stream on QVC.com. You can check out the link on our Facebook page. So it's so much fun. And we did like great recipes. Wait, Steph, I'm going to show them one of these. We might have eaten a lot of them because there's only like 2 in this pan. That's Steph, you guys. Steph, come on over and say hi. You guys, this is Steph. She's our amazing food stylist. Can everybody say hi to Steph? Because you made these, didn't you? I mean, Tara made them, but you made the ones that we take the pictures for.
No, Tony did.
Tony did. Oh, look at you giving that nice shout out. Yeah. Steph, she's team player there. Anyway, you guys, this is so amazing, and I'm just going to tell you, Paloma cupcakes, they're fabulous, seriously fabulous. So hi Jen, how you doing? All right, I'm not going to keep you guys long, but we do something every week, called a Use and Care Chat, and that's where you can ask questions truly about how to take care of your temptations. Any tips you have. I know a lot of you are always looking for recipes, so just so you know, we have a recipe group on Facebook called Recipes from Tara's Table. It's a private group. Doesn't sound fancy. It's a private group and it's so much fun. Like I'm telling you, it's not all about stoneware, it's all about food. Seriously, so if you're a total foodie like Tara is, like I am, like Steph is, then make sure you head on over there and join because we have a lot of fun. And we do a live about once a month, but you guys share your recipe and that's what makes it so much fun. Oh, Diana or Dina, I'm sorry, I don't have my glasses on. Hello from Kansas. I've never been to Kansas. I think I need to go to Kansas. I know it's such a beautiful state. All right, you guys, let's talk temptations, all right? So use and care. This is the must-have today. I saw a lot of questions on Facebook, like, can you show it up really close, every color? Yes, we can. So look how gorgeous this is. It's under $20, and it is a beautiful platter. So do you remember in the fall, we had like a pumpkin platter? And then in the wintertime, we had a beautiful, I think it was a poinsettia platter. And now we have our spring platter, but it's summer too. Very much, honestly, it's all year round. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's called Magnolia. So I know you guys wanted to see it up close. So when we talk about temptations, and Tara and I say things like embossed, figural, you can feel the, like, you know, the artisan's brush strokes. You can literally see everything. Let me kind of break that down for you. So first of all, what does figural mean? Well, this is 16 inches side to side. Figural means a few things. First of all, it has that beautiful cutout edge of the magnolias. Look how gorgeous this is. I'm going to get out of it so you can see it. And it's embossed. What does embossed mean? It means like that magnolia flower right there, it's all raised. Like I can feel this. And then all of the ornamentation on the inside. Oh, everyone says it's so pretty. First of all, we have it in white. So I'm going to hold it this way so you can see the whole platter. 16 inches top to bottom, beautiful oval, beautiful scalloped edges with the gorgeous magnolias. There they are right there. But let's talk platters, because these go in the oven up to 500 degrees. So if you want to do like a pork loin or chicken or a roast or a big thing of nachos, no problem. You can put it in the microwave. I have a big microwave, so 16 inches will fit in mine. I know some are smaller. It goes in the refrigerator, and where that's important is things like charcuterie boards and fruit salads, anything you want to keep cold. And it also goes into the dishwasher. So, hey, Rosalia, long time no see. So just wanted to let you know that's some of the qualities of stoneware. So here's the white. I'm going to show you every single color, and here's why. This is the only order that we have of this year. So once these are gone, these are gone. So here is that beautiful, look at that rosé color. Isn't it stunning? Absolutely gorgeous. So, so pretty. I'm going to get really close, okay? Do you see the detail in here? Now, no matter what your camera screen is showing, this is a beautiful, soft lavender rosé. Like, I am telling you, this color is stunning. If you love confetti and colors like that in the pastels, this is for you. Hold on. There's more. Buttercream. I bought the buttercream woodland dinnerware. Did you guys get that? Because that is stunning. Here's the buttercream. You guys, it's so pretty. Look how gorgeous this color. I got to back up because of this light. It's better when I'm out here, actually. That's the color. Isn't it so pretty? So if you love the Hello Yellow, and hold on, because you guys have been asking for this mint, so Tara wanted to be sure that we had it in every single item that we can. Here's the magnolia platter in the mint. Isn't that so stunning, you guys? Look at that gorgeous, gorgeous color. So, absolutely gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. Limited edition, available right now on Temp-tations.com. So don't miss out on this. And even if you're going somewhere, like even if it's a late Mother's Day gift, print a picture of this, pop it in a card. Nobody minds. I never mind a late gift. I actually like a late gift. And do you see when I back out how you can see the gorgeous highs and lows of everything? Isn't this just beautiful? Okay, so 4 colorways. It's going to be the mint, the yellow, the rosé, and the white. Here are the colors. Like, I don't know. I could actually see getting 2, 3, maybe more. Oh, look what they did over here, the food stylist. So we actually put like a little buffet out here. So we have our little ring cake in the center. Then we have these cookies. And then I just said to the team here, do not put this stuff in front of me and expect me not to eat it. Doesn't that look delicious? I know. And then my fave, mini chocolate eclairs. All right, so that's the must-have today. Again, just to remind you, this platter can go in the oven up to 500 degrees. It goes in the microwave, the refrigerator, the freezer, the dishwasher. And you know what I love about a 16-inch platter? It's not gigantic. So, you know, like for instance, whenever my husband grills, he's like, Lisa, can you get me something to put all the food on the grill? So instead of handing him a dinner plate now, because it's just the 2 of us at home, I can hand him a platter, and he can fit like the chicken, our veggies, and maybe corn on the cob or baked potatoes. Sure, everything platter. All right, that's what's going on with the must-have. I also want you to know that on QVC as well as Temp-tations.com, we have quite a bit of home decor. So it is so stunning and pretty. Like, did you know that we actually have these beautiful lanterns with the fabric on the inside? This is that colorful of flutter. So can you see the fiber optics in there? Watch, it's going to change color. Watch. Yeah, look how pretty that is, you guys. This is that rustic, shabby chic look. We have this in egg hunt, and we call this colorful of flutter. It's our butterfly pattern with all the colors in it. I want to give you another shout out. If you picked up the platter and like you want to put these on your table or on your sideboard, look how gorgeous together. Right? So pretty. So if you're looking for like accessory things like runners and linens and candles and all those types of things, well, we have them over on Temp-tations.com as well as QVC. So whenever you see a solid platter in these pastel colors, things like olive flutter, they all look beautiful with it. So whether you pick the rosé or the buttercream or the mint or the white, they will look beautiful with this. And then because you're here, oh, Rosalie, did you get the egg hunt? You got the egg hunt in this. These are stunning, you guys. By the way, comes with a hook right there, and then batteries go on the bottom, 3 AA's, and it's fiber optic. So if you hang here long enough, you'll see it goes through all the colors of the spectrum. But isn't this stunning? And imagine putting this like in your outdoor garden space. So really, head on over. We are a true lifestyle brand. So it's everything you need to decorate your entire kitchen, home, patio, even family room. All right, you want a sneak peek because you're here? Yes, I love that. Oh, Kimberly says the platter would make a great wedding gift, birthday gift, shower gift. I'm having a wedding shower for my daughter on Saturday. And I just think, like, imagine this is what somebody gave her, wrapped in cello. This is stunning. It's stunning, and the price is crazy. Like, you know, seriously, for a beautiful platter, it's just amazing. And I love that idea, Kimberly. But I'm giving you guys a sneak peek because I was late and you guys waited. Yes, please. This is an Americana divided server. I need you guys to give me hearts if you love this as much as I do. This is gorgeous. Wait, look at the profile. So it's this perfect size server that has 4 compartments. Look at this. So it has the little channels that wave like the flag. Look how absolutely stunning this is. And look at the side with the polka dots. So this is a limited edition. This will be coming out on Monday. I did not tell you. You do not know. It's not available till Monday at 10 a.m. But it is Rosaleo, right? OMG. And by the way, look what may be coming back for Mugshot Monday. So on Monday, it's an all-Americana theme. I don't think Tara's watching because I think she's resting. There we go. Check that out. So pretty, right? You want to see a great idea? Look at this. You want that too, Missy? Me too. Monday, 10 a.m. Monday, 10 a.m. for this. Look, I can't tip it too much because the yogurt dip's going to fall out. Hold on. Look. It'd be really great if I didn't put my finger over the camera. Okay. So 3 channels. We did strawberries. I'm so excited. Bananas. And look what we did on skewers. I can't. And then a little dip in here. But you could get 2 of these, 4 of these, and this could be your dinnerware. Do not miss out on. Oh, you're there Monday? I know. I might be in trouble. So look at this. Monday. This. And this is going to be available for Mugshot Monday. We don't have a lot of these, so I'm telling you, if you love these, I would absolutely, positively use this as my dinnerware for the summer. I think it's so cool. Like, wait till you see the video that we did. We put like 2 hot dogs down here, baked beans, coleslaw, mustard and ketchup in here. Yeah, this is so much. Yes, Megan, it's your 4th of July. All right. Everybody remember when this is available? Monday, 10 a.m. Yep. Perfect cheese and cracker. Wait till you see the pictures we're showing. We did cheese and crackers, Kim. Great minds. Great minds. And then on Saturday, we have an amazing offer. You know how you guys love the meatloaf pans? Well, we have some back in stock, but it's like a BOGO. And we have great colors. Like we have the yellow in Old World and floral lace. Very, very cool. Can you guys hear me? I just want to make sure you can hear me. Hey, Kev.
What's up?
Is that Kev? I think Kev's earpods might have connected to my phone.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you ask him to kind of disconnect those? You guys hear me? Can you give me a thumbs up? Thank you. Appreciate that. Yeah. Can you guys hear? Thank you. All right, so that's what we have going on. We have a super duper exciting few days coming up, as always. And rumor, oh, you can hear me? Thank you. And then rumor has it, we may have a garden show next week. So stay tuned because Tara and I will give you a big sneak peek on all of that, but we have so much going on. So head on over to Temp-tations.com. Check out the Magnolia platter, especially if you love these spring colors. And don't forget my little tip. Pair it with this lantern because I'm telling you, it's going to look spectacular together. All right, you guys have a great day. Have a great evening. Thank you for your time, and we'll see you soon. Okay, bye-bye.